Do you know where Kaka Kumar lives?
What? Kaka Kumara? Kaka. That Crow Kumar? Bro, see here. He just got into fight right now. And the fight is getting very bigger right now. If you call Kaka Kumare and Kika Kumare like that, and he will bring a big rock and put it in your head, ba. So, do what I say, huh? Where are you from? Go. Your bus came. Go, ba. Go.
Hey, luxury cars are coming in our area. Hey, what are you looking at? Go, man.
August 40 station. Hello.
Famous bro.
Tell me, Salama.
Kaka Kumar have been taken by police.
What are you saying?
That's what, bro. I don't know what to do now. Should I come back to our village?
No. Don't come here. Problems will increase. Just stay there. I call you, then you come. Okay?
I don't know anybody in Madras, bro.
Hey, Salama, do something and adjust. Okay?
He's talking about
I'll do
Kaka Kumar.
something.
Shall we ask about that? Sir?
Just a minute, bro. I'll call you back.
Okay. You call later.
What did you ask?
I wanna meet Kaka Kumar, sir.
Kaka Kumar.
You are Kaka Kumar's man, right?
Yeah. I am Kaka Kumar's right hand. What's your problem? Tell me.
Actually, the problem is not for me. It's for my friend.
Your friend is not here?
She has come, sir. Kirti.
She looks like an untouched note, man. Hey, Salma, get a tight hold of her, man.
Are you Kaka Kumar's right hand?
Yes, ma'am. I am Kaka Kumar's right hand.
Oh,
Whatever the issue is, you can tell me. I can solve it for you.
you need to murder someone. Now, immediately. Don't worry about the money.
Hey, ma'am, don't shout. Just now, Kaka Kumar got arrested and the whole city is in... Whatever the matter is, tell me in silence.
I don't know how to whisper. This is the way I talk. Do it now. I can't able to tolerate his behavior.
It seems that it's a big deal for you, huh? Let's do one thing.
Okay.
Not here. We'll go somewhere else. You tell me. I'll come there, huh? Give me your phone number.
Note it down. 76999967.
Yeah,
Okay? Call me later.
Okay.
Bye.
I'll give you a missed call. Check it,
Bye.
huh?
Yeah.
Check it.
Right hand, sir.
Huh?
Please do something.
That's all okay. When you come tomorrow, get the money. Money, huh? What? That's very
Don't worry
important.
about it.
Yeah,
I'll
okay,
bring.
okay. Right.
Yeah.
Sir?
Did you call me, sir?
You only, sir. Is the auto free?
This is the first time somebody calling. An auto driver. I said, sir, you are the first person, sir. Come on, get in, sir. Where shall I drop you, sir?
Anna memory.
It's very near only, sir.
Can't go back to the village. What do I do now? Will I not get a place to stay in such a big city? Huh? This auto guy also looks like a very good man. Let me play a game with him. Sir,
Huh?
let's find a good tea shop and stop there.
Huh?
Let's have a tea first.
Okay, sir.
Bro, 2 cups of tea.
Sir, I don't want tea, sir.
Have it, sir. Take it, sir.
I don't want, sir.
Sir, I saw you smoking, right? Don't joke now. Have it.
Bro, take the tea.
Yeah, I'll come.
Why this guy buying cigarette for me?
Yeah, take it.
Whether he's a good man or bad man? Sir, this vehicle is not getting started. Maybe some repair. If you are in a hurry, go in some other auto, sir.
No, I am not in a hurry. First, let's get the vehicle to the workshop. Then I will go, huh?
Somebody has to tow this auto, sir.
I'll help you, sir. Why are you worried? Come.
Sir, whoever travel in my auto, they will speak only 2 words. When get in, they tell me to go. After reaching, they say stop. When they get inside my auto, they will act like so humble.
Why, sir?
They may afraid we will kidnap them. Sir, they will travel in our auto for half an hour. After they get down from auto, they will not have courtesy to say thanks. This is a modern world, sir. In that matter, you are so great, sir.
Sir, I'm going to spend half an hour with you. Why should I behave like a stranger when I'm there with you, huh? We should become like friends, right?
You have understood, sir. Annamale,
Yes, boss.
the auto is not getting started. Solve the problem.
Okay, I'll check
Sir, please be seated, sir.
Sit, sir.
No, sir. You first sit, sir.
No, you sit, sir. Yeah, the same screw. It's loose, see?
He's talking like a mechanic.
Okay, right?
Everything is fine.
What is the problem? How much?
Boss, it's a small problem. We can check it
Okay,
next time.
bro. Brother, you are a very peculiar customer to me. Okay, whom you are going to meet in the beach?
Who will I go to meet, sir? Our MGR and our Anna only.
What, brother? Carelessly you are talking about MGR and Anna.
What else will I say, sir? For people like me who've come from the village, only Anna and MGR can save me. Where else can I go, sir? I can't tell you, sir. The peace I get from going there, it's such a comfort. Sir,
Huh?
you won't believe me. Only after going there, I'll decide where am I going to stay in the city.
That means you don't know anybody in this city? Are you new to this place?
Yes, sir.
Did you look for a job here?
I can tell everything to you, sir. You seem like my elder brother. Job is not at all a problem, sir. For now, if I get a place to stay, it will be great, sir.
There is a way.
If there is a room to stay,
Don't worry. God will take care. He will solve all your problems.
Oh God, don't get me for a long pace, understand? Because I need it tomorrow, right? These financial issues and all until my sister marriage only. And then I will give you gold chain for you.
Come on, bro.
Hey man,
What, brother?
can you drop me in Coimbatore?
You just wait here. I will come in 5 minutes. Come on, bro. Bro, the water scarcity is too much here. You have to adjust for everything here. Understand? Small bro! Small bro!
He's teasing me every time. I'm gonna beat him.
Hey! Do you think you are a very tall person? You are just my knee size, man.
Even my smaller, I can able to see my foot. Can you able to see your foot?
Huh? Hey! Speak according to your right, man.
Don't talk too much. What's the matter? Tell me.
You are looking for a person to share your room, isn't it? I brought my brother to share your room here.
Then why you bring your brother?
Hey, why I am bringing my brother here? He's my old roommate, bro. We will talk only like this. Share with him, man.
Okay, he's having any biodata?
No need to afraid for that, yeah?
Hey fool, I'm asking his biodata. That means full details.
Bro, have you got any details? You don't have any details.
Voter ID?
Have you got voter ID?
bro, I don't have all that, bro.
He is not having that.
Okay, at least is he having any driving license?
Even me, I don't have any license to drive the vehicle, but I'm driving in the city. Now he reminding me about the license. Do you have that?
I'm just like you.
You don't have license also. Bro, please share with him. Hey, 10 years old friend for me. Please share the room with him. Hey, don't you remember when you're roaming like a beggar on the roadside? This is the same room I shared with you. In that time I asked you Aadhaar card. Did I ask driving license? Why are you doing like this?
No, sir.
Please wait,
I'll
bro.
leave
I'll give the RC book of my auto. Please share with him, yeah.
Oh, okay, that's not a matter.
Then what?
Brother, house owner expects some proof from him. Okay, I'll do for you. What's his native?
Madurai.
Where in Madurai?
Terkuma Sedi, sir.
Sir is too much for me. We are already friends, right? Just call me dude. That's enough for me.
Okay, dude.
Hey, monthly rent is 2,000 rupees. You have to give your share before 5th. Alright? Can you understand?
Okay, sir. That and all, I'll give you my share of 1,000 rupees every month.
What? 1,000 rupees? Your share is 2,000 rupees. This room rent is 4,000 rupees. Can you understand?
Sorry, I thought the rent is 2,000.
Too smart.
What
Hey,
did I-
Auto.
Coming, brother. Small bro.
Ah.
My customer is waiting. I'm leaving now.
Ah.
My brother will give you the advance as you need. Take it. I'll see you in the evening.
Ah,
Huh? Okay, brother.
முத்துக்கு முத்தாக சொத்துக்கு சொத்தாக அண்ணன் தம்பி பிறந்து வந்தோம் கண்ணுக்கு கண்ணாக அன்பால இணைந்து வந்தோம் ஒண்ணுக்குள் ஒண்ணாக முத்துக்கு முத்தாக சொத்துக்கு சொத்தாக அண்ணன்
2 jaggeries packet. Totally how much?
It's 80 rupees.
So okay. This is only reasonable rate. It's affordable. Where is my money purse?
This auto guy has kept the advance very well.
Okay, come. Have a look.